What's up, everyone? Lionel Turning here, One Way Pressure Washing Services out in Vista, California. We got ourselves one of these. Nice exterior building wash. This is actually one of my customers I've had for quite a long time, but we don't service this. This is where his office is. Been trying to get it for a while because the stucco here is looking pretty nasty in some sections. Bunch of nicks and crannies all over the place. And you can see the dirt that's piled into the stucco. Bunch of these little under areas. Kind of difficult to get to, but we're gonna get it all cleaned up. Gonna X-jet it, get some nice chemical on it. All these little nicks and crannies over here. So it's gonna be a fun one. Do a little walk around real quick to make sure there's nothing damaged. You know, loose stucco, anything along those lines. When I looked at it last time, I didn't see anything, but before I get myself in trouble, I want to take a look. This is a section I drive past this every single day, and you can hear the freeway. See the freeway, and just up there, it's horrible. So we're gonna make this look really, really, really nice for him. Stay tuned.